Hello guys, today I will show you how you can turn on or off tap function in the dishwasher HISENSE HV. So the tap function activates these settings when using an all-in-one detergent that contains rinse aid. If you want to switch it on or off, open the settings mode. How to open it you will find on our other video, and jump on by this button to the 5 settings. The 500 means the tap function is turned off. If you want to switch it on, click on the echo button to 501. Now it's activated. Of course, if you want to switch it off, just go to the 500 again and go out from the settings mode. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.